Namaste friends, welcome back to Cook It Up. Today we will be making Ganesh Chaturthi special Modak and Peda. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. To make this, we are taking 100 grams of sugar, almonds, some pistachio and 4 elaichi. We will make a powder of this. This is 1 liter of milk. Now we will boil this milk. Kept this on medium flame. Now this will take quite time. It will take another 45 minutes. So go on stirring this. I will show you on each step. So go on stirring this. Whatever cream comes on the edges, go on mixing it with the milk. Now you can see the milk has started boiling. I have kept this on medium-low flame so that we get the nice creamy texture to the milk. Now after 20 minutes, the milk has boiled properly and it is reduced to half now. Now this is on high flame. You can keep it on high flame provided that you have gone stirring it. So don't leave the hand and go on mixing all the cream into the milk. Now you can see the milk has reduced to 1/3. Now we will add sugar to this. See, before adding I'll show you all the cream whatever was coming on the edges. I have mixed it into the milk. Now we will add the sugar. Now go on stirring it. This is on medium high flame. After adding sugar, now it will get thicker faster now. This will take another 5 to 10 minutes. See, now you can see the milk has thickened lot now. See, it will take just another 5 minutes now. Now you can see it has started leaving the pan. So at this stage you have to keep it on very low flame because it may get burnt at the end or it may turn to reddish. So just go on stirring it like this and always remember to mix the side, whatever has remained on the side. Just go on collecting it and go on mixing it. We'll allow this to cool. It may take some 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. Keep checking according to the temperature. Once you are able to hold it in hand, then we will start. I have taken out the mixture into this plate now. I will be adding cardamom powder. This is 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add little ghee to my palms. I will knead this properly. Mix it properly and knead slowly. Now it is anyway cooled off. You can add cardamom even before cooling also. This is the modak mold. For this I will apply little ghee. I am putting little bit powdered sugar into this just to coat it. Once you can close, shake it and again take it off and remove all this. This is just to coat it. make a small ball like this. I have taken 2 balls I have made, same quantity. Now I'll keep it in the mold, press it properly. Take another ball and keep it this side. You can see. Okay, and 1 badam. I'm taking, you can take any dry fruits, and I'm closing this. Close it tightly and take out the give it a shape, modak shape. Take out the extra whatever mixture is there. Now I'll take out the mold. See the beautiful modak. Next, again dust it with little powder sugar. This is optional. If you want, you can do. Otherwise, you can just keep the. Again, take a ball, mix it this way. Spread it on the mold properly. Once you spread it on the mold, now we'll add a dry fruit. I'll take 1 full pista I have taken. So different dry fruits we will add. Now again press it. Now see, I have pressed everything. I'll take out the mold. So from the same mixture, now I will be making some pedas. Just take a ball of it and make a round shape. Press it and keep a pistachio piece, and our pedas are ready. These many modaks I have made for Naivedya, and these many pedas for prasad. I suggest you to make this 1 day earlier than the festival, as these will taste best on the second day.